This fridge was designed for real-life kitchens, not just to look good. You can get water and ice without opening the fridge, which actually helps keep food fresher. It is surprisingly quiet, even during busy kitchen days or when I am filming. And I want to introduce you to the LG French door refrigerator, and I want to show you what it's really like to live with it.
Hi everyone, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today I am going to give you a review for the LG 28 cubic feet French door smart refrigerator that I have it here in my kitchen. It is super nice. I am going to invite you to inside of it so you can take a look, and if you are planning on buying a new refrigerator, I hope that this review is going to be super helpful for you. So let's get started.
After using this refrigerator daily, what stands out the most is how easy it feels to live with it. The doors open smoothly, the layout makes sense, and everything feels accessible, especially when I am baking, cooking, or filming in the kitchen. The French door design gives me a wide access to the fridge without feeling cramped, and I really appreciate how bright the interior lighting is. I can see everything at a glance, which matters when you're grabbing ingredients quickly or working on multiple recipes at once. This fridge honestly feels like it was designed for you, for a real kitchen life and not just for looks. The drawers slide super smoothly. It has a super wide daily drawer that is very important for me. And I love that you have super easy access to the ice maker. If you want to make smoothies or you want to make an ice bath, it is super easy to grab them. And also in the freezer, it has a little container that you can put the ice, so it's going to be super easy for you to grab. The freezer is amazing. Later on the video, I will tell you what I like about it. In the top part of the fridge, you can find the water filter. It is super easy to change. This fridge uses LG's smart inverter compressor and multi-air flow system, which means the temperatures stay consistent throughout the fridge. That consistency is especially important for baking. Butter stays at the right firmness, dough chills evenly, and ingredients last longer. Here is more information at a glance, and it has 1-year parts and labor and 5-year seal system and compressor warranty. As a home baker, storage isn't just about space, it is about usable space. I love that the shelves are adjustable because I can fit sheet pans, cake boxes, and tall mixer bowls without having to arrange everything. The depth of the shelves allows baking trays to sit flat, which is a huge plus for me. The clear door bins make it easy to spot milk, cream, eggs, and butter right away, no digging, and the deep drawers are perfect for resting dough, proofing, or storing fruits and ingredients for baking projects. Everything has a place, and that makes baking days feel calmer and more organized. And in the freezer section, I really appreciate how deep and wide are the drawers. I can easily fit 2 mixing bowls, and also in the top part, I can put a sheet pan very easily if I need to frozen my dough. One feature that I was looking forward is to have an outside water and ice dispenser. Being able to grab cold water and ice without opening the fridge helps keep the temperature stable inside, which matters for dough, butter, and cream. I use this constantly while baking for hydration, iced coffee, cold brew, and even chilling syrups or glazes. It is one of those small features that ends up making a big daily difference. One feature I want to mention because it is about peace of mind, it is the LG ThinQ app. Through the app, I can get alerts even if a door is left open. It has happened in the past. It can check that the fridge is running normally, and I can use the LG's Smart Diagnosis feature to help identify issues without guessing. And if you like to spend times in the apps, this app has a lot of information that you will enjoy. How much energy it has been consuming daily. It gives you alerts when it's time to change your filter, and also you can register your refrigerator and you will have the owner's manual as well. And if you have time, you can put the information of all the items that you have on the refrigerator and the expiration dates, so it can give you alerts when you need to use them. It is one of those background features that are not necessary, but you are very happy that they exist. As someone who films content in the kitchen, noise matters, and this fridge is surprisingly quiet. There is no loud humming or background noise fighting with my mixer or my voice. That makes a big difference if you are a content creator or even if you just enjoy a quiet kitchen environment. It is energy efficient, is stable, and doesn't draw attention to itself, which is exactly what you want from an appliance you use all day. This model is not kitchen counter depth. No fridge is perfect, and there are a couple of things that I would personally love to see. I wish that the vegetable drawers will be taller. More accessories included, a sphere ice cubes that I think that are very fancy, and a consistent and better reviews. The regular price of this refrigerator is about $3,000, but you can catch them on very good sales, and the reviews are about 3.7 to 4.5 stars. Overall, this refrigerator has been a great fit for my baking-focused kitchen. It is spacious, practical, quiet, and thoughtfully designed for everyday use. If you are a home baker, cooked often, host family meals, and spend a lot of time in the kitchen, this fridge offers the kind of functionality that really supports your routine. I will link the exact model below if you like to check it out. And if you enjoy cozy kitchen content and honest reviews from a baker's perspective, I love you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye bye.